My dear colleagues in the government, and most importantly, our honored guests from around the globe, the remarkable contestants of the Miss World pageant. Before we proceed with this evening celebration, I must begin by acknowledging a moment of deep sorrow that has touched our state today. In the early hours of this morning, a tragic fire accident near Guljar House in the old city of Hyderabad claimed the lives of 17 individuals, including 8 innocent children from one family. This incident occurred in a locality just a stone's throw away from Charminar, a symbol of our city's soul. And for this devastating loss of life, on behalf of the government and people of Telangana, I offer my heartfelt condolences to the families of the bereaved. Our thoughts and prayers are with them in this time of unbearable grief. We stand with them not just as a government, but as fellow citizens united in compassion. All necessary relief measures have been taken, and we will leave no stone unturned in supporting the affected families and ensuring that such tragedies are prevented in the future. Now, even as we carry this collective sorrow in our hearts, we continue with this evening's program not to diminish the pain, but because the human spirit at its best carries both grief and grace in the same breath. It's a moment of immense honor and pride to host all of you here this evening in the very secretariat that symbolizes the aspirations and progress of Telangana. To our distinguished Miss World contestants, on behalf of the people and the government of Telangana, I extend our warmest, most heartfelt welcome to you. Meeku Telangana Rashtraaniki Swagatam Suswagatam. And you are currently in India's youngest state. Most of you might not be knowing. A land of youthful energy and dynamic growth, born out of a historic grassroots movement, Telangana. Telangana is one of the fastest growing states in the country, and we continue to move forward with determination and hope. For the past few days, you have journeyed across our land from the majestic remnants of the Kakatiya dynasty in Warangal to the architectural beauty of the Ramappa temple and the spiritual serenity of Yadagiri Gutta. You have glimpsed the soul of Telangana. You have strolled through the timeless lanes near Charminar and Lord Bazaar and experienced the elegance of Chevamala Palace. You have seen the spiritual pluralism of Buddhavanam and the intricate craftsmanship of Pochampalli, whose artistry has earned international recognition. Ours is a land where history meets modernity. Hyderabad, our capital, is a powerhouse of innovation in IT, life sciences, and emerging technologies. The Telangana Growth ICC, where many of you visited today, is a symbol of our forward-looking vision. The Miss World pageant, with its motto of beauty with a purpose, speaks deeply to us. Development must have a soul. It must uplift, empower, and include. That is our dream for a Bangaru Telangana, a golden, inclusive Telangana. As you prepare for your grand finale here in Hyderabad, know that you are more than contestants. You are ambassadors of goodwill, and you carry with you the hopes and pride of many nations. We are honored that you are with us. May your journey here be filled with meaningful experiences, new friendships, and the unforgettable warmth of our people. When you return home, may you carry with you not only memories of this event, but also a little piece of Telangana's heart. And when the world asks where they should go next, we hope you will say, Telangana Zarur Ana. You must visit Telangana again and again. And also, life is very precious and also too short. One, we can't build the monuments, the age-old, thousands years old back, where the technology was not there. At least we should see, not only as a contest, as a tourist. Tourism is not just for the pleasant or entertainment. No, that's not the only thing. It also, in my opinion, it's also a sort of social work. Because with your tourism, the global tourism, it helps the needy, it helps the poor, it helps the unemployed, and it also helps for the self-employment. So I wish you once again, be our ambassadors of Telangana for promotion of tourism, our culture, our cuisine. You might have tasted our food, everything. I think all of you are happy, and I wish you all the best and bright future. I thank one and all. Thank you very much. And also let me say a few words in Telugu also. ఈ తెలంగాణ టూరిజం డెవలప్మెంటు బేసిక్ ప్రమోషన్ కోసం ఈనాడు గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి శ్రీ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ఈ యొక్క మిస్ వరల్డ్ ప్రోగ్రామును తెలంగాణలో కండక్ట్ చేసే అవకాశం తెచ్చినందుకు రాష్ట్ర ప్రజల తరఫున ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ మై టూరిజం డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐ థ్యాంక్ అవర్ ఆనరబుల్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్. డెఫినెట్గా ఈ యొక్క మిస్ వరల్డ్ కార్యక్రమం ద్వారా వీ కుడ్ ప్రమోట్ అవర్ కల్చర్ త్రూఅవుట్ ది గ్లోబ్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ I think 3,500 media people have almost, I think they across the world this message is being spread. అంటే తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో ఈ యొక్క మిస్ వరల్డ్ కార్యక్రమం పెట్టినటువంటి ప్రధాన ఉద్దేశం నిరుద్యోగ యువత ఉద్యోగ ఉపాధి అవకాశాల కోసం, తెలంగాణ టూరిజం ప్రమోషన్ కోసం కూడా ఒక ప్రధానమైన అంశం అని చెప్పని అందరూ గమనించాలని కోరుతూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.